Hello everyone, welcome to Page Bunty Minchase Arise again. And right now, we still continue lesson 1. Okay, and let's learn together. Page, page, spell P-A-G-E, page. For example, students, please open to page 1. Student, please open to page 1. Okay, next, stand up. Stand up. Spell S-T-A-N-D-U-P. Stand up. For example, students, please stand up. Student, please stand up. For the next word, sit down. Sit down. Spell S-I-T-D-O-W-N. Sit down. For example, students, please sit down. For the next word, open. Open. And you can do action with me like this. Open. Open. Spell O-P-E-N. Open. For example, students, please open your book. Students, please open your books. Okay, for the last word, close. Close. Spell C-L-O-S-E. Close. For example, students, please close your book. Students, please close your book. Okay, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please make a sentence by using the word that we have and leave it in a comment so that we can have checks. If you do it right, we will give thumbs up, and if not, we will correct. And if you want to watch full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below and see you on the next. Bye bye. God bless you.